EPS4 Part 15. Dissolved oxygen is key. Gentle condition for small organisms. That is presence of oxygen. Please check this small book on ecological purification system for safe drinking water. Running water, but unexpected flush out by storm event. When plants and animals do not flush out, water is always clear. Slow means gentle for organism. Vertical current is gentle for small animals on the surface of sand and soil particle. In case of ecological purification system, algal activity relates to solar radiation. Activity of heterotrophic organisms, bacteria, small animals, relates to temperature and amount of food for them. Small animals on the surface of rocks collect turbid matters. Sand, stone and rocks don't roll and move in a small creek among dense forest. People prefer to drink natural spring water. People does not like chlorinated tap water. This water is not guaranteed by the authority. However, people trust this water to drink. It is better to scrape during wet condition and short time. Clean sand means that dirty matter does not enter in deep. Mollusk is grazing animal of green algae. Long filter run. Alligakita in top of sand layer. If filter surface is dried up, these animals escape into deep sand layer where is wet enough. Water color is brown in the filter pond in Edinburgh in Scotland. Raw water comes from peat land. Vartry Waterworks, Dublin, Ireland. I could see brown water in open clear water tank, filtrate water tank. They have served from 1860s. Brown water is not good. This idea came from chemical treatment. Rapid sand filter produces cancer risk by chlorine addition. I investigated the seasonal change of algae in Thames filters in London from 1994 to 1996, more than 30 years ago. Filamentous green algal bloom in summer. Filamentous diatom bloom in winter. Diatom to green algae in summer is due to grazing activity. I noticed that this change from diatom to green algae is due to grazing activity. This phenomena is remarkable in warm period and in long filter run. I confirmed also this phenomena in Ueda City. SS-free subsurface water is taken in this plant. Heavy algal mat was remarkable. This was long filter run and good filter condition. However, turbidity in filtrate water is high and fluctuates in daytime in fine day. I noticed that photosynthetic activity was high in daytime. Dew concentration became supersaturation. After the sampling pump, oxygen bubbles formed in water. Turbidity was due to bubbles. Turbidity fluctuation was also reported in Nagoya Water Works plant. Turbidity fluctuation was related with fluctuation of dissolved oxygen concentration. Bubbles are not formed in filtrate under the high pressure and gentle condition. Bubbles are easily formed under supersaturate condition. Turbidity meter value is not equal to real suspended matter. This particulate by the meter is microbubble. Major turbid matter in mountain stream is easily set within several hours. Compare the turbidity levels for chemical treatment and ecological purification system. Ecological purification system produces really super clean and delicious water to drink. This is smart treatment system to make artificial spring water by eco-friendly technique of ecological purification system. 1. Shallow depth. 2. Active photosynthesis. 3. Bubble formation. 4. Lift up algal mat with turbid matter. 5. Microbe to small animals are active in this system. 6. Collection, grazing and decomposition. 7. Food chain is the key for purification. 8. Sand is just habitat. 9. Large size of sand is acceptable. 10. Activity depends on temperature and radiation. 11. Passing time of active layer is only 1 or 2 minutes. 12. Higher flow rate is acceptable. This is smart and eco-friendly technology for ours. EPS for safe drinking water in arsenate-contaminated Bangladesh in 2004. Surface water is polluted by herbicides and insecticides. Mr. Kawahara asked me to teach him a method to decompose herbicides and insecticides that are difficult to decompose in nature. Therefore, I taught a method of repeating decomposition through fermentation in the lack of oxygen inside the fecal pellets of the biological community. I thought that one time was not enough, so I recommended repeating it 4 times. In 2008, Mr. Huadaishan, Shinsho County, Hunan Province, made safe drinking water from contaminated groundwater under the guidance of Jinxingja. Since then, water purification systems have been constructed in over 40 locations. They used EPS to produce drinkable water from groundwater contaminated with industrial wastewater. Covered EPS was necessary in cold winter. This covered EPS was constructed at a school for students and villagers in August 2014. I visited there in May 2016. I met Mr. Jinxingja and Mr. Huadaishan. EPS use of natural process chemical-free, gentle for small organisms. This system can receive any water sources. Surface stream water, reservoir, subsurface water, clean spring water. We adopt different pre-treatment methods suitable for different raw water. Smart treatment system to make artificial spring water by eco-friendly technique. This is food chain. 1. The present vertical type of slow sand filter was devised by James Simpson in 1829 after his 2,000 miles inspection trip all over the Britain. 2. This filter provided safe drinking water, free of pathogens to residents in London. This vertical type of filter spread round the world and was known as the English filter. 3. Slow sand filter has been believed that it was a mechanical filter with fine sand under slow current. 4. However, the major contribution of the purification of the impurities is the food chain in this system. 5. The word of slow was gentle for organisms. 6. Recently, the English filter of slow sand filter has been recognized as ecological purification system in Japan. Slow sand filter, English filter, mechanical filter. Biological filter, new concept and new name. Ecological purification system. This is our technology from Japan. EPS from Japan to the world. Wise use of natural phenomena for human life. Safe and delicious water by EPS is our technology. Remember 3 steps? 1. Knowing is not enough, we must apply it to something useful. 2. Willingness is not enough, we must put it into the plan and action. 3. Putting the plan into action is not enough, we must accomplish the goals. Trust our sense. Super clean delicious water.